one more on when is it the best time to sell. And so oftentimes people find themselves in a situation where they need to sell their house and get the money out of their sale in order to buy their next home. So what's the best time to sell if you have to sell your house to get the money for your next home? And this can truly be a daunting situation to be in, especially in this market. Home sales are super competitive, and depending on the location, the price range, it can be very challenging to get an accepted offer. So one thing we do is reference our little toolbox of creative ideas to see how we can help. And there's a lot of different things. And again, this is dependent on your personal situation and what's most important to you. But we might be able to connect you with an investor who's able to purchase your home and then rent it back to you for an extended period of time, whatever that may be. That allows you to free up the funds that you need and get the money from the sale of your home, and then go ahead and buy a home, and you have the money there to put down on your next home. We might look at putting your house on the market with a contingency that says you need to sell first and then find suitable housing, and then you can close. We may put it on the market with a requirement that whoever buys it does a rent back agreement, a rental agreement with you. So we can also possibly make a cash offer on your home as it is, and make it easy to get you the cash that you need. But the bottom line is, if you feel unsure of whether or not you should proceed with selling your home and buying a home, could you find a home if you needed to? If you went to sell, what would that even look like, or what would you get potentially for your home, which can help you decide how much you want to invest in your next home? Just reach out to us. We're happy to have the conversation. We're happy to see if we can help. We'll throw a few ideas your way, and if nothing else, we enjoy our time chatting with you, because we are always here to support you and your unique situation.